So I get asked all the time on how to make soap last longer. So here's a few tips. First off, when you're curing your soap, don't put it in a plastic bag. All that moisture from the soap will end up melting the soap and making it go bad faster. Instead, you want to put it in a paper bag or wrap it in paper towel and just leave it out to cure for 4 to 6 weeks. The longer you cure it, the harder it gets and the longer it will last. Now, if you're looking to speed up the curing process, you can actually put it in the fridge. The cold temperature will help harden the soap and make it last longer. Next, when you're lathering up, don't use too much water. You want to use a minimal amount of water when you are lathering up your hands or your face. And then once you get that lather going, you can add more water to it, but start with a small amount of water and then work your way up. Finally, when you're storing your soap, you want to keep it in a cool, dry place. The ideal place to store your soap is in a bathroom that doesn't get too hot, like a basement bathroom. You want to avoid storing your soap in the kitchen because the heat and the humidity from the kitchen will make the soap melt faster.